Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Space A40 for discovery. Make sure it has battery charge and is powered on. Hold the pairing or power button for about 5-7 seconds until the LED begins flashing blue or alternates blue and red. This tells you the headset is in pairing mode. Once the LED behaves correctly, stop pressing the button and leave the headset visible. It will actively advertise itself to nearby devices, which is the first actionable step to link it with your phone, PC, or console. Now switch to your phone, PC, or console and open Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Scan for nearby devices and look for the entry labeled Space A40, tap or click it to begin connection. If the device prompts for a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the default confirmation. Many headsets pair without a PIN. Once your device shows connected, allow a few seconds for drivers or profiles to load, and then check that the system routes audio to the headset so you can continue. Finish by verifying the Space A40 is fully functional. Play a short audio clip and test the microphone if applicable, then adjust volume on both device and headset. If audio is distorted or the mic isn't detected, install any available firmware or drivers and reboot both devices. If pairing still fails, perform a factory reset. Hold power and pairing buttons for 10-15 seconds, then repeat the pairing steps. This reset tip resolves most stubborn connections, so try it before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.